Originally, I was going to make this video a short, but it ended up being a long. So we're going to post this on our weekly Embrace the Journey channel as a long, but the format's going to be vertical, so might have to suffer a little bit through that, but you'll get the picture of what we're doing. What we're doing is Karen's making bread and butter pickles, and she's got two different batches. One's called a refrigerator pickle, and the other one's a hot brine pickle. So you'll get to see us do both of them. I've learned quite quickly that my place is not to be in the kitchen helping. My place should be in the kitchen filming, because I thought, yeah, I can help Karen slice these cucumbers, and consequently sliced my thumb instead. I went from when you get one of them kind of cuts and you got to stop the bleeding, so you just grab whatever's around like a paper towel and you wrap it around and around, and then you got one of those huge looking things on your thumb. Well, that's what I started out with. I'm down to a Band-Aid now. That's good. And it's still bleeding a bit, but I'm going to survive. No hospital needed, no stitches, just a little bit of, just a little bit of pain, but it'll be all right. So stick with us. We'll show you how to make some pickles. This is why I shouldn't be involved in slicing cucumbers. This is not a cucumber. I'll leave the slicing up to Karen.
Thank you. I'm making two different batches. The first one was the refrigerator sweetened bread and butter pickles. And this batch, and the second batch is the one that I'll put a hot brine over, because I don't know which one to make. Which one tastes better? I kind of like this one because it's got brown sugar, and I have my pickled green tomatoes that I have brown sugar in. Alright, I'm going to pour this. I mixed it just till the sugar dissolved, so I didn't boil it. And it looks like it's dissolved. I'm going to pour it over pickles. Then we're going to let it set at room temperature for an hour, and then we'll cover it and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. So tomorrow, the fam will come over and we'll taste them. These are the refrigerator pickles. Drain it.
Rinsing them off.
Joe and Katie if they like. And some white vinegar, 1 1/3 of a cup. This is going to get heated up. 2 rounded turmeric, 1/4 teaspoons of turmeric in there. Look at that color, would you? 2 teaspoons of mustard seed. 1/4 of a teaspoon of coriander.
Coriander.
Yeah.
Coriander.
It's a seed, a spice, used for pickling. Throw in maybe a half a teaspoon of celery seed. Bread and butter. I'm going to put in at 1 1/3 cups of sugar. You can adjust that for taste. This is the first time I'm making them, so I don't know.
And stir it up.
These in here. I'm not going to quite let it boil. We're going to wait till it starts getting little bubbles on the side. It's getting ready, and then I put them in the canning jars. I don't think these jars are probably sealed because I'm not going to really cook it, so we'll see. If it seals, it seals. If it doesn't, I keep it in the fridge. Means we're going to have a lot of pickles. There we go.
Into the bottles they go. Canning jars. Nice and hot. So are the jars.
Yes.
They smell good. Topping them off with a little bit of juice. The good stuff.
Trying to get the bubbles out.
Three jars of pickles. Well, the pickles are done. We've got two types of pickles, and they are.
That's the ones that's just the refrigerator pickles. And then this one is the one with the hot brine poured into it. And a lot of times I didn't give it a hot water bath, but the jar, all three of these jars sealed anyway. So they popped, which is always a good seal.
So now we're going to give it the taste test.
That's the refrigerator pickles. Open. Hear that pop? This side is the ones with the hot brine. Lots of onions in these.
Refrigerated pickles.
Okay.
Hot brine pickles. And now the taste test. Hot brine. Oh man. It's really good.
Those are good.
Those
And
are-
they're crunchy. They're crunchy too.
And this is the refrigerated pretzels.
Pickles.
Pickles.
Yep.
And they're very good too. So, I think this pickle thing was a success other than my thumb. Still bleeds. Been a day. Pretty deep cut.
So watch out if you use the mandolin.
Yeah. Them mandolins will get you. Very good, hon.
Yeah,
You
I
did
think they both taste good.
A
I don't know
spectacular job.
if I like one more than the other or not. Well, the kids are coming over for dinner tonight, so we're going to have hamburgers and hot dogs, and we'll see what they think.
Still drinking the rise. Embrace your journey. Eat good pickles, but don't use that mandolin.